In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8n in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started with seamlessly integrating these platforms for your workflow automation needs. First, let's head over to the AI workflow automation platform, N8n. If you're not familiar with N8n, it's an excellent tool for automating tasks with the flexibility to connect and synchronize data between different services and applications. Open your favorite web browser and go to the N8n website. As we continue, ensure you have your N8n account ready. If not, it only takes a few moments to sign up. Once you're on the N8n homepage, the next step is to sign in. Find and click the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and sign in to your account. This will take you to your personalized N8n dashboard, the hub where you'll organize and manage your workflows. Now that you're within the N8n dashboard, it's time to create a new workflow. Look for the Create Workflow button and give it a click. This will open up a canvas where you can start building out your automation process. The blank canvas that appears is your creative space to drag and drop nodes, adding functionalities and connections the way you need them. With a new workflow created, hover over to the canvas and click on Add Nodes. This is where the fun begins. You're going to explore the vast array of integrations available. A search bar will appear. Type in Gemini to quickly locate the tool you're looking to integrate. Google Gemini. As you search for Gemini, keep an eye on the drop-down selections that appear. Once you spot Google Gemini, click on it to add it to your workflow. This action integrates the powerful capabilities of Google Gemini into your N8n workflow, allowing you to automate the processing and analysis of your data with Google's advanced technologies. Remember, this connection is foundational for setting up sophisticated operations that can analyze and process data effectively. Make sure you have the necessary permissions and API access ready beforehand to ensure a smooth setup process. Once connected, you'll be able to customize your workflow by configuring nodes, setting the parameters that match your specific needs, and ultimately, running the workflow to see it in action. Take this opportunity to experiment with various functions and integrations to maximize your setup. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Gemini to N8n, opening a world of automation possibilities. Feel free to explore further and refine your workflows as you become more familiar with these tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and workflow tips. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!